Hi all, welcome back to another episode of Culinary Feast. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we'll be cooking a mouth-watering mutton liver masala that you won't forget. This dish is perfect for any occasion and is sure to impress your family and friends. Did you know that mutton liver is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients? Stick around to learn how to make a dish that will tantalize your taste buds. So here I have taken around 300 grams of mutton liver, which is cleaned and cut into small cube-like pieces. You can even soak them in some milk for 10 minutes to reduce the strong smell. So the first step is to cook the liver. So for cooking the liver, I'm adding around 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 slit green chilies. Next, I'm gonna add around half a cup of water in order to cook the liver. Please note not to add too much of water because while we are cooking the liver, it will automatically release some amount of water into it. Now close the lid and let's keep it on the stove top. Cover and cook the liver pieces for around 7 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. The liver cooks quickly, avoid overcooking or else it can turn rubbery. Once the liver is cooked well, it's time to turn off the flame and keep it aside. So for making the mutton liver roast, we would require 1 cup of chopped shallots. Then we would require 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tomato finely chopped, around 1 tablespoon of mint leaves and around half a cup of coriander leaves as well. Now let's see what all are the spice powders that are required for this recipe. This recipe requires very minimal spice powders. Half a teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon pepper powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Let's start preparing the masala for this recipe. So I'm adding in around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil into it. Once that the oil is heated well, add in the ginger garlic paste and saute it well until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste fades away. Once that's done, add in the chopped shallots into it. So in the next step, I am adding in some freshly chopped ginger in addition. Adding freshly chopped ginger is completely optional. I personally like getting the bite of the ginger, that's why I have added this. Once that's done, add in the chopped tomatoes and the spice powders into it. I'm also adding the mint leaves at this point. Once all of these ingredients have been added, mix well and wait until the tomatoes turn mushy. Add in salt if required. Please note, we have also added salt while we were cooking the liver, so please adjust the salt as per your requirement. Add in the cooked liver pieces along with some fresh coriander leaves at this point. Cover and cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. Please note, I have added the liver pieces along with the broth so that it turns flavorful. Lastly, I am adding in around 1 tablespoon of coriander powder as well. Sincere apologies for not mentioning it in the ingredients. You can get the complete list of ingredients under the description box. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Combine all of the ingredients well until the raw smell of the coriander powder fades away. As you can see, the liver has absorbed all those beautiful spices and flavors. It's amazing to see how such simple ingredients can come together to create something so delicious. Turn off the flame, garnish with freshly chopped coriander and serve hot with rice, chapati or parathas. Now that it's finally done, you will be left with a dish that's not only delicious but also visually appealing. The colors, the textures, everything comes together to create a truly mouth-watering dish. Look how soft the liver is being cooked. To wrap up, we have covered the entire process of making mutton liver masala from preparation to plating. Remember, this dish is not just about taste, it's also about the experience of cooking something unique. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.